Speak up a bit. Understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, speak up a bit. Understanding this phrase is not only about its literal meaning but also its use in different contexts. Let's dive in. Speak up a bit is a request or a polite command. It means to increase the volume of your voice so that you can be heard more clearly. It's often used in situations where the listener is having trouble hearing the speaker due to a low voice or background noise. This phrase is typically used in casual conversations. It's a polite way to ask someone to speak louder without sounding rude or demanding. For example, if you are in a noisy restaurant and can't hear your friend, you might say, "Could you speak up a bit?" In English-speaking cultures, it's important to maintain politeness when asking someone to alter their behavior. Adding a bit to speak up softens the request, making it more courteous. In different cultures, directness levels in communication vary, so understanding the subtlety of phrases like this is crucial. There are several variations of this phrase, such as, "Could you speak louder, please?" or "I'm having trouble hearing you. Could you raise your voice?" These alternatives convey the same message but may be preferred in different situations or based on personal style. And that's all about speak up a bit. Remember, it's a helpful phrase to know in everyday conversations, especially in environments where hearing clearly can be a challenge. We hope this video has been informative and aids in your English language learning journey. See you in the next video.